Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reinvest dividends with Charles Schwab. First, log into your Charles Schwab account online. Navigate to your portfolio summary to view your holdings. This process ensures your dividends are put to work immediately, helping your investments grow faster over time. It's a simple yet powerful way to compound your returns without needing to manually purchase additional shares. Once logged in, select the specific account you wish to manage. Look for the Statements and Reports or Account Services tab, usually found in the main navigation. Within this section, you'll find options related to your account settings. Locate the Dividend Reinvestment or DRIP option, which allows you to control how your dividends are handled. This is where you'll make the crucial decision for your investment strategy. Now, you'll see options to configure your dividend reinvestment plan. You can choose to apply dividend reinvestment to all eligible securities in your account, or you can select individual stocks. This flexibility allows you to tailor your strategy to specific investments. After making your selections, carefully review them and then confirm to save your new dividend reinvestment settings. It's a straightforward process that puts you in control. Reinvesting dividends is a fantastic way to harness the power of compounding, allowing your investments to grow exponentially over time. This automated process not only saves you the hassle of manually buying more shares, but also helps you avoid potential transaction fees. It's a set-it-and-forget-it strategy that can significantly boost your long-term financial goals. Also, for some great deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.